Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back. 9 a.m. in the morning, 30 minutes till the market opens up. We got a nice little pop on this drug. I don't know. Did anybody get a piece of this drug when I called it out? It just started making a move. I didn't buy too many shares of it. I only jumped in about 300 shares when it started making its move right around here. And I kind of chased it right here. I got a little nervous. I don't know if anyone else jumped into it. But when it broke this resistance levels around here, 7 o'clock, I says, you know what? This could probably be it. And, it's doing pretty well. You don't have to trade too many shares of these stocks to kind of jump on the bandwagon and get onto it. But, this is good. So far, good Friday. Starting early, stocks up. Everyone remembers this one. We traded this stock not too long ago. Actually, last week. This thing ran from $2 to $38. Remember this stock? This was just an unbelievable, crazy stock. Anyway, she's moving again, and she's back on the watch list. So, drug, D-R-U-G. Bright Minds Biosciences. All right, don't know what the kind of drug they came out with, but anyway, still looking pretty good. So regarding about, hold on one second, let me just get a couple of things up here. Open screen, there we go. So regarding about yesterday, we had a lot of good stocks that made some big moves, and want to kind of go over it like everything else. So overall the week, it was a really, really fun week. We didn't have, I didn't think yesterday was great, but overall, we're doing good on our swing trades. We're doing really good. The market's doing great. We had some 3, 4, 500% winners that were just doing phenomenal. So that was just awesome too. Anyway, we're going to go through them right now and finish out the week. And like I said, what is this? We're actually the 18th. And it's great. Next week is on-site. Looking forward to seeing all you guys in here. Now, by the way, if you are coming to our on-site class, make sure you book your hotel. I know there's some of you here. Listen, if you're going to go to a different hotel, it's great, but please stay in a hotel that we're in. I think it's, we got you a great deal, and it's just easy to convenient for you to walk in and out. All right. And then, like I said, I look forward to seeing you all on Wednesday morning, Wednesday, Thursday. But let's just try to go over some of the stocks that what's moving this morning, and also what we traded this week. We'll come back to this drug stock, but a couple of stocks that did move pretty well. I want to start off with Newsy. So Newsy was a really nice movie yesterday. It wasn't one of the morning movers, but it showed up a little bit late. So this is good for a midday stock. You could see it right here, right around 10 o'clock. It started making a big move. It ran from like 50 cents all the way to $1.50, shot up to about $3.50. And it was nice how it consolidated, around 11 and then popped at 12, consolidated, boom, popped again. And, that's something that we really, really, really focus on here at Cybertrade University, all that consolidation going on. But a really nice move on that Newsy trade right there. I know some of you guys caught on to it. Got halted like 35,000 times, right? It was awesome how it just get halted. But you'd have to trade too much of that to make it a nice day's pay right there. The TVGM was another one that had a nice move yesterday too. Another very inexpensive stock, $1.20, ran to about 220. That was pretty good. What else was a couple other stocks? Something wrong with my nail here. Another couple of stocks that moved. Was it IONQ? Was it? That one was also a very nice little stock, $11 stock. Middle, basically right around 9:30. 11 ran all the way to about 12:40. That wasn't bad. Nice spread. Moved pretty nicely. Fold was also another nice one too. $10, $10.50. Nice and slow up to about 12. Another nice little cheapy stock that moved up pretty well. And ADP, AXP, American Express. Anyway, that stock is taking it. Obviously earnings came out, and that stock's taking a little bit of a hit right there. So see how that one works out. And I'm such a big fan of American Express, right? Really a big fan of American Express. I got like 7,000 cards from them too. But wow, is that credible? It's up at $290. Wow. Beginning of the year, it was at 170, up about 100%. Not bad, huh? What else we got going on? This stock is obviously big resistance. MSTR. Bitcoin's doing well. What else is doing well? Gold is doing phenomenal. Okay, we broke 2,700. So that's doing pretty well too. Silver, I'm a little disappointed. I thought silver was going to do a little bit better, but it didn't do that great, as much as gold is. But gold, obviously, once it broke that 2,000 mark, boom, that's where we're getting all that action. All right. So anyway, let's go over a couple of stocks that are moving this morning. So we got the drug stock that's doing pretty well right here. So that one made our watch list. Regarding about iceberg orders, let me just show you what we got going on over here. So there's our big iceberg orders right here. We had a ladder effect around 30. You got 36,000. You could see we got the 3-layer cake that's kicking in around 38, 40, and 42. I mean, it's so obvious, right? You could see it beautifully. You know what? I'm going to sell it. I just gave away $1,000. That stinks. NASDAQ. Hold on. Let me just get out of it. All right, I'm out. Just gave away a nice little profit. All right, bring this back up there. All right, so that one I'm gonna come back to. We'll see how it trades. This thing's pretty damn volatile. You know what? There was that big order that showed up right around 38.50. I should have I got a little distracted doing this meeting, and they should have been looking over there. And no big deal. Anyway, no the cry for spilt milk. Anyway, a couple other stocks are moving up pretty well right here. HEP. All right, right here we got a big order right here, 44,000 at 330. We're at 360. Looking at the right of the chart, kind of flat, don't you think? Had this really nice move right here early in the morning, kind of died. HEPS. 11 million shares, though. I mean, I like it. It's not bad, 11 million shares. SOBR, I saw this one, sober too. It was obviously, earnings, big move, but it's kind of flat too. I don't know about you. I'm not a big fan of Fridays. Usually we have to wait until the market opens up a little bit to kind of get a sense of where the market's going. But Fridays are very, very careful. It's not like trading Tuesdays and Wednesday, Thursdays, midweek. Peggy, what we got going on here with Peggy? Good volume, 6 million shares. Yeah, not really seeing too much on the right of the chart over here. A couple orders here around 780. Not bad right there. Spread looks okay, 6 million. PEGY. Remember, sometimes these things, they'll wake up when the market opens up. AKAN, another stock, good earnings came out. Nice little pop, starting to build a little Fausto flag on the downside. Don't really like that, up 43%. Another one did pretty well, but I don't really like how that's trending. What do we got going on over here? Oh, TVGN. Is that moving again? A little bit. 5 million shares. We're putting this back on the watch list. TVGN. I mean, it is up 16%. Everybody remember DUO, right? That was an awesome stock. Where'd that run up from? It's 30 cents to about $4. Another cheapie. Any good with the brand names? What's going on here? Let me tell you, NVIDIA has like kryptonite at that 140. Huge kryptonite. I forgot to post a video yesterday on it. I'm going to do that today on that big order. Tesla kind of not really doing too much. Right there, Tiger, Sober, SOBE, SOBR. We saw that one. Microsoft. Yeah, not really that much going on over here. New York Stock, any good losers? Any good shorts? Obviously, all the big runners from yesterday. This one's taking a big hit. Doesn't really look like it's doing too much, though. New York Stock Exchange got a nice little move on this one. This one's not bad. VTAK. VTAK. That one's not bad. Let's see what this is looking like. Pretty move. Cheap little stock, dollar stock, right? See where the orders are. Not really too much. I'm not really seeing too much out there. You can see it right here. Got a couple orders right here. Not really too much out there. It's kind of flat, but you know what? It does look pretty good. I like this nice pop at 730. It's kind of holding it pretty strong. A couple of ETFs over here. Made this list. CVS got crushed. What was it? It was earnings, right? We had CVS. CVS did not have It did not have earnings, but it cuts third quarter outlook. All right. Yeah, CVS is not really doing too well. They closed a lot of stores, and maybe everyone's getting fed up with all the plastic in Manhattan. To got to call somebody up to get something. It actually works out best for Amazon, right? They're doing pretty well, but CVS, Walgreens, they're closing stores left and right. So anyway, that one's really been doing pretty well, not doing too well. What else have we had over here? Oh, we had Netflix yesterday, right? Netflix, we had NFLX. How'd that one do? Yeah, Netflix beat earnings. That one did pretty well, but we're not going to be trading Netflix. Netflix is killing it. My God. 500, 700. I mean, it's got big resistance levels right here at 736. It's almost there. That was at all-time highs? Yeah, I think it's all-time highs. Yeah, look at that. Going back all the way back, all the stock splits, everything. Yeah, Netflix doing great. I guess raising their rates and limiting people to go out there worked out pretty well. So funny, I got to tell you a funny story about Netflix. I canceled my membership about a week ago, right? $25. I don't know. I don't use it. All of a sudden, my son's calling me. My wife's calling. What do you do? What's the password for Netflix? I'm going to use it all the time. I'm like, I didn't know. So I guess I got to subscribe again on Netflix. So anyway, let's get ready for the market open up. It's Friday, guys. Don't get too crazy. The list is not that big. Don't get nuts. We had a really, really, really good week. We got on-site coming up next week. I know we got a bunch of new members here. Just please talk to the education advisor. Make sure you basically get to know watch those videos that we gave you, those training videos. Don't get too cocky, today. But listen, if something comes up, we'll make the best of it. All right. All right, traders. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere. If you're watching on social media, take your phone, scan the QR code. You can come and join our trading room. We'll be here all day, broadcasting live all day. And, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Good luck, everyone. If I don't see you, enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right, guys? Happy trading.